Hello everyone. So in this video we will see overview of lesson 3. So in lesson 3 we will learn about how to connect the things to the internet. So previously we learned about what is internet and what is the things. Now we will learn about how we to connect the things with internet, and we will learn basics of current and electricity. So in connection, we will learn about various methods like cellular, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and so on. And in basics of electricity section, we will see what is conductor, what is insulator, what is electrical current, its type, what is resistors, and what is voltage and Ohm's law. So thank you. That's it for today.